Hey, this is Mr. Twine from Chandler Public Library. Anshul, one of our Tina Advisory Council members, will be sharing his culinary skills with you. Enjoy.
My name is Anshul. I'm a part of the Teen Advisory Council at Chandler Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Mediterranean pita wraps. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our tzatziki sauce. So for that we're going to need grated cucumbers, Greek yogurt, a spoon of vinegar, garlic, and salt. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take a handful of our grated cucumbers, we're going to put it in the bowl, just a bit, and then put one teaspoon of vinegar in the bowl. I already have it in here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take 1 spoon of Greek yogurt and put it in the bowl as well. You can do a couple spoons. And then we'll give it a couple shakes of salt and a shake of garlic. And then we're just going to mix it all together. That'll be our tzatziki sauce. Now we're ready to assemble our pita wraps. First thing we're going to do, we're going to take a spoonful of hummus and we're just going to spread it along the pita. This is a Greek pita, so it's going to spread the hummus over the entire pita. You can put as much as you want. Get a little more here. Okay, now that we've done that, next we're going to put our chicken. So just going to put a few pieces of chicken here along the center. And that should be good. Now we're going to take our spinach and again as much as you want. And then we're going to top it off with some of the tzatziki sauce that we made earlier. Going to top it off just like so, and now we'll put a sprinkle of some feta cheese, put it all together. Now we'll just wrap it up and there's your Mediterranean pita wrap.